Hi everybody, this is Nabor, real estate agent from Neximo in Carmen. In this video today, I'm going to show you a brand new building with many apartments available. These apartments, they have many amenities. We're going to see this through the video. We have a rooftop with a swimming pool, view on the sea, many things. So if you have any questions, you can check the descriptions to contact me, or also I leave all the details and the brochure in the descriptions. See you soon.